The most exciting part of dentistry for me would be the opportunities that are on the horizon, the newer materials, the newer procedures. We do what's called a veneer. And a veneer, years ago, was just a thin, it's a porcelain laminate that goes over the front of a tooth. Previously, we had to file the tooth down in order to do that procedure and remove a lot of tooth structure. Now the laminates, or the porcelain veneers, are as thin as a contact lens. So what that has done is it's allowed the procedure to be almost non-invasive. In other words, we can actually, in many cases, do a porcelain veneer or lumineer and remove no tooth structure at all. And so with all porcelain veneers and all porcelain restorations, because of the way the light flows through, those are the most natural, lifelike restorations that we can make. And for porcelain veneers in the aesthetic zone, and when I say aesthetic zone, that's the area that is visible when a person smiles, we try to promote all porcelain restorations or ceramic restorations, which are the most lifelike restorations that are known to mankind. Well, that innovation and the fact that many people are really concerned about their aesthetics now. Aesthetic dentistry is the wave of the future, and they're more aware now of how they look, of how their smile affects their outlook on life. And I think the exciting part of it for me is that I understand that patients distinguish between those things that they need and those things that they want. The things that they need maybe are a restorative crown on the posterior part of the tooth, but the things that they want are the things that help them to feel better about themselves. And those things are things that are provided in aesthetic dentistry. So that's why that's so much more exciting for me.